Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm working on a 2002 Volkswagen Jetta, and the problem with this car is this code P0102, which is the master flow A circuit flow, which means it probably doesn't have a good ground. And I cleared the code already, and once the code is clear and I try to turn on the car, turns on good, but then you're gonna have the stability light coming on in a bit. And there we go, those lights. That means the check engine is gonna come on. We check again on the scanner and we have the same code. So right now I'm gonna check the wirings to make sure all cables are fine. We leave the key open on, and we're gonna check our master flow sensor. I'm gonna disconnect it. This is the master flow sensor. I disconnected it, and we see this, it has some grease on it, so that means somebody was working on it already. And first we're gonna check each cable, make sure every single cable is alive. We check the first cable. The first cable has 5 volts, that's good. Second cable is ground, it's alive, that's good. The third cable is fine too, ground. And the fourth is 5 volts, that's fine. And the last one is ground, and that's good. So far good. Okay, so now that I check all the cables, the real problem is not gonna be the connections, it's gonna be the sensor itself. And to prove that this sensor doesn't work, I'm gonna show you something that every Volkswagen, and usually also Porsches, and I've seen Audis with the same problem too, is that with time the MAF sensor breaks right here, and the isolation that it has on the side becomes so loose that it loses connection on all the connection. And I'm gonna zoom in so you can see that the problem, it's right here. We have a loose cable right here, if you can see. It's so broken, and it goes here to this one right here, and it's just broke. And this one too, it's broken also. These things are so thin that with the heat and time they just break. And also the other thing that breaks is there's like a little sensor inside here that measures the flow of air. It goes here and it measures it, and that thing breaks with time. And that would be all the problem. And the fix is to put a new one. And in a bit I'll get the new one and put it on, so you can see the light won't come on anymore. You can see I have the air replacement part here, and that's my dog. So you can see, pretty good. this sensor in, and then we're gonna check what happens. This in the car. We put some grease on it because it's a little bit tight. Now we put our bolts back. To remove it, you need a 20 hex security bolt with the hollow metal. Back in place. Everything we connect the back. Boom, connected. Now we're gonna raise the key. Now we're gonna raise a coat. Clear the coat. Yes. Okay, now we turn it off, and then we turn our car on, and we wait. So good. Check our cups again. And this car is ready to go. And that's all, guys. If you liked the video, please hit like and subscribe, and see you next time.